Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kwikset number 89918-001. This is their quick bit changer, is what it is. This is from the Kwikset 380 installation kit, and I have sold lots of these kits in my life. Customers will walk in right to the counter and say, I need a Kwikset lock installation kit. That's the 380. I don't know how many decades they've been making these, but for sure three. Has to be longer than that. So I've removed it from its packaging. And here's the quick bit changer. Okay. The bottom line is, when you're installing a lock, you're going to use two bits, right? You could very likely be working with 3 bits in your kit, but the 1 inch for the edge of the door and the frame is going to be 1, the 2 1/8 or the 1.5 inches. And the ability to be able to just quick change that tool, that's something that's neat, rather than stop and unchuck and then rechuck your tool. This permits you to make hay while the sun's up. That's the bottom line. That's your quick change tool. That's obviously going to chuck that 3/8 into your drill. You're going to stick your bits down below. You're going to have your spring-loaded pin retainer that's here. That's going to move a C-clip that's inside of it. You won't be able to see much of that on the camera. Okay, be able to quickly pull that out, put it back in its case, pop the new one in, continue on with the job. There is a table down below that shows all of the replacement parts for the Kwikset 380 kit. You can buy practically everything you need for it, especially the consumable stuff like your bits, your latch and strike marking tools. Those blades you can buy as well. I had said 380 earlier. It's not the kit, part number of the kit is 138. It's a Kwikset 138, not a 380. It's always been a 138 kit. So all those other parts are there for you to continue to get useful service out of the kit. Locksmiths come in and say, I need that kit. Okay, there you go. Landlords, handyman operations, people who have an occasional need to mortise doors or a somewhat frequent need to prep doors for lock sets, use this kit. A lot of people swear by them. There are other people that make these same types of kits that might be of higher caliber, but I can't really say that they're of higher caliber because I've really not had a failure of a 138 kit. I myself personally don't use it at all because I find I'm intimately familiar with the process of mortising wood doors and steel doors for every piece of hardware. I have interpreted every different template type, from just a regular hinge all the way up to olive knuckle hinges, all the way to pivots, to concealed overhead door stops. My approach to doing that sort of work is one where I don't necessarily use a template that's made to do the job like this Kwikset 138. What I'm trying to say is I always have just marked my holes for my 2 1/8 hole, my bore, my cross bore, my edge bore, and I might have some templates set up ready to go for doing this type of work. But the concept of clamping the bit onto the door, I never loved. I don't like putting steel onto a door that I can turn that thing really tight. Nor do I like the concept of a multi-spur bit. Those aggressive teeth. As you plunge into the door with that self-feeding bit, you get your big Milwaukee 1/2 inch ready to roll. That self-feeder is going to bring you wham! And you can tear the veneer out. I have seen someone run that scenario into a Luan door or an open grain wood and really just flare the daylights out of it. Now you've got a problem. All you want to do is put a deadbolt on someone's door and not destroy the door. So me personally, I use a less complex setup to drill holes. And And I've tried to explain that to people, that I prefer it that way, and I am in the minority of those that I speak to about preferring it that way. They say, that's just too much work. I don't want to measure anything. I want to click, click, clamp, clamp, drill, drill. I got it. That makes perfect sense. I love it. I make a living selling Kwikset installation kits. So be mindful. You know, if it's the tool of your choice, it's the tool of your choice. And I support that decision, and meaning if you have any need for technical support on any of the parts that go along with your Kwikset 138, feel free to reach out to us. Kwikset is the name known for low-cost lock sets, right? And they've got some other lock sets that are not so low-cost that are of higher caliber. But Kwikset is actually, and I have been told that they are the largest lock manufacturer in the world when it comes to production. I was told that they ship 1 million lock sets a day. But what I like about Kwikset is they are a locksmith's company to begin with. What I mean by that is the system of their keying will permit you a substantial amount of key changes. Kwikset, to get into the woods a little bit, they're a single-step system. And their system will permit you to master key their cylinders in such a way that you can obtain a reasonably high quantity of change keys within the Kwikset environment. So if you literally had a property that had 500 lock sets and you needed to master or grandmaster and change key all of those locks, you can do that with Kwikset. And it's because of the way that their keying system is put together. The structure of the cuts, the bittings, the depth and spacing chart, the depth part, is put together. So Kwikset might be known as a commodity garbage lock set. Well, maybe that's true, but they sure have their place in the marketplace. There sure is 1 million doors a day that get a Kwikset lock, right? So they have their place, but I like them from the back end where you got a customer and he needs to put Kwikset on this 500 unit situation because the project only requires a lock of that caliber. Kwikset can handle it. And I've spoken to them directly, and I've not found them to be of much help. But there is or has been people there that understand the concepts of locksmithing. So I appreciate them for that approach, that matter alone. Any questions on the Kwikset, number 89918-001, quick change, bit, tool, or any other Kwikset product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.